From California State University, San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Bowling and decorating cupcakes. Hello, I'm Amanda Romero, and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Jalen Blythe. Bowling is a fun leisure sport for many. From birthday parties to practicing for competitions, there's always a reason to bowl. Reporter Dylan Klawon gets the strike on why many enjoy bowling.
Bowling, extreme sport, leisure activity, or America's pastime.
I like bowling because of the progression I see every time I come out here and bowl. I'm always moving forward, and in a way that's kind of just addicting, you know, seeing progression, and that's what I enjoy most about it. Cosmic bowling thing is catching on Saturday nights, and I feel like generation to come out and have fun with their young friends, and I feel like that'll get them in here and then get them stuck on the sport, and it'll just be like a circle of life kind of thing, you know? And everyone's good at it. The young kids, the elderly people, you know, they might not bowl as hard or anything, but they got that technique down and they still bowl really good. So I feel like it's a sport you can play throughout your whole life, and maybe that's why it's been such a hit. You progress pretty fast. Every time you come out, you see improvement, and I feel that anyone would enjoy that. And we come out here probably twice a week or so, and we have a blast every time. So. I'm here to stay, so come back in 30 years or so and you might catch me here still.
Bowling, America's pastime, or possibly the greatest sport ever played. For Local Matters, I'm Dylan Klawon.
Cupcake decorating can be fun and messy. With some frosting and sprinkles, one can create edible art. Reporter Alva Trejo-Leyva attends a bakery's cupcake decorating class to learn more about why they choose to teach the community the enjoyableness of creating masterpiece cupcakes.
Children like to reveal their individuality in many different ways, and it is important to encourage these forms of expression, even if that means decorating a cupcake.
Well, initially we started holding events like this because a lot of people were interested in learning how to do cupcakes, how to decorate cupcakes. They wanted to see what's behind the scenes of what we do for our customers. So us being able to provide them with a class allows them to get a little piece of what we usually do in the back.
It's cool to be able to decorate your own cupcakes the way you want and to help others decorate cupcakes that they want you to do for them. I decorated my cupcakes with very vibrant colors with purple, pink, and white.
Personally, I feel like our classes help kids express themselves in the way of they are able to use their creativity in our cakes and our cupcakes. We do not only offer cupcake classes, we offer cake classes for adults as well. So the kids come here, they get their 4-pack of cupcakes, they get different kinds of buttercream, sprinkles, a lot of fun things, and they're able to do whatever they prefer to do on a cupcake.
Don't deny the fact that you can make art you can eat. Who knows, you might end up with a masterpiece. For Local Matters, I'm Alva Trejo-Leyva. Oh my God.
To keep updated with what Local Matters is doing, follow our social media.
To watch some of our other stories, head on over to our YouTube channel at Local Matters CSUSB. I'm Jalen Blythe.
And I'm Amanda Romero. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.